Hi, Sarah of SEK Handmade here, and today I want to show you how to create a modified chain when you are working into a row that requires working into the third loop. Working into the third loop is a fun technique. It gives you this really nice detail, kind of a little braid on one side of your work. And so I really like to use this in my designs because I think that's such a pretty detail. To work a modified chain in the third loop, you're going to start exactly the same way you would with just a plain old modified chain. You're going to start by chaining 2. So I'm going to yarn over, chain 1, yarn over, chain 2. Turn my work, and I want to point out right here, you have your front and your back loops at the top of your work, and then when you have a half double crochet, this is what the third loop looks like. And so you're going to be working through that third loop right there to give you this lovely detail on the opposite side of the work. So to complete the modified chain with that, you've chained 2, you're going to go through the first chain that you made, pull up a loop, you have 2 loops on your hook, then you're going to find that third loop and you're going to place your hook through the third loop, pull up another loop, and now I have 3 loops on my hook, and then I'm going to complete it just like a double crochet. Yarn over, pull through once, yarn over, pull through twice. Let's do that one more time. So, starting on the opposite side of my work, I'm going to chain 2, yarn over, yarn over, pull up 1 chain, yarn over, pull up another chain, turn your work, go through the first chain with your hook and pull up a loop so that you have 2 chains on your hook. Then you're going to find that third loop of the half double crochet from your previous row. Put your hook through that third loop, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 chains on your hook, and you're going to complete it just like a double crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that is how you complete a modified chain in the third loop. Directions for how to do this are in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching.